Hey guys, welcome back to Ask Profe Angela, where you get to be the star of the show. Can you all help me with something? Do you remember what time my class begins or what hour? Time and hour. These are both nouns that are associated with none other than time. But learning how to use them in a sentence or conversation can be a little bit tricky because they're both the same. Want to know how to use them? Let's watch. Hit it. Question of the week. Profe Angela, can you please explain how to use the words time and hour? Are they different? For example, if I want to tell someone the time or hour. Thank you, Sydney, Barranquilla, Colombia. Great question, Sydney. Well, the word hour is simply a measurement of time. For example, 1 hour is 60 minutes. Whereas the word time is not a certain number of minutes, hours, or days. For example, let's say you and your friends are planning to go to a movie, but you need to know what time the movie is. So you would ask, what time are we meeting there? So, as you can see, the words hour and time can be both translated as time. Confusing? Yes, it is. But no worries. First, let's take a look at what ways both words relate to time. Time can be translated into time by past, present, and future. For example, the time machine he built allows him to travel through time. Also, time of day. For example, do you remember what time it was exactly? The word hour can be translated into time by a period of time. For example, our opening hours are from 8 to 6. Also, a particular time of day. For example, he returned in the early hours of the morning. Did you know? Normally, in American English, the question, what time is it, is commonly used, whereas, what hour is it, is very unnatural.
Now for this week's sentence challenge.
Write a sentence using time to show the past, present, or future, and then using hour to show a period of time. Now remember, both the words time and hour translate into time. So use the information in this video to help complete your sentences. And if you need help, search online for examples and share them with us. Hey Sydney, thank you so much for this week's question about time and hour. If you have any further questions about how to use time in a sentence or just in a conversation, type your question in the comment box below and I will answer with an immediate reply. And good luck this week, guys, on this week's sentence challenge. All right, guys, if you are my English language warriors, hit that like button. And if you like what you saw, hit the subscribe button and become a part of the APA family. All right, everyone, that's it for this week's episode of Ask Profe Angela, where you get to be the star of your English language learning experience. I hope you guys have a great rest of your weekend, and I see you next time on Ask Profe Angela.